So guys, I'll be having some Tate's potato snack, sour cream flavored. As you can see right there. Okay, let's go. What they look like. Let's just grab some. What it looks like. Good. Okay. Oh. Now this one. Tate's potato snack. It's an original flavor. Okay. It's not open yet. So let's see how you open it. First, what it looks like inside. So I'll just grab one of them, as you can see right here. So now at Seaside Village, it's 2 for 40 rand. So basically one is 20 rand, and let's see which one's better. I'll say they're both. So yeah, just comment and buy them, and then see which one's your favorite ones, cause mine's both. Okay, bye.